Yeah, good morning. Here it's 6:16 a.m. Um, on Tuesday, January the 5th, and we're just looking to scalp here the Euro US dollar. See how things go here. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pullback, so we'll just continue watching here and see if we can get a entry level. As you can see, I've got a tick chart running right here. It's called a PZ tick chart, as you can see by its name over here. And I've changed the settings. I think it comes with a 520, and I've changed it to a 1070. Try to smooth out these lines on the 520. They just go all over the place. And try to smooth it out here, and using it for the first time today, just to try to utilize a different type of tool. Everybody's always trying to get an edge when they're trading. So as you can see, the orange line here follows the sell price, and the blue line follows the buy price. And the blue line's at the 70, and the orange line is at the 10. So as you can see, the market is kind of going down, and that's what these indicators are showing by the ticks. And what I'm looking for, I've noticed here in this last trade I took, is when the orange kind of goes up above the blue, kind of spikes above it, it kind of shows that things are reversing a little bit. So kind of waiting for that signal to take a buy. And let's see here. I've also up here have a Ichimoku cloud indicator on, as you can tell. And it's trying to kind of watch both of them a little bit. And I'm just going to go ahead and go long right here at 122.797. And as you can see, as soon as I did, it dropped down. I guess I got in a little bit early, but we'll see how this plays out. As you can see right here on my buy lots, I've just got 2 micro lots, and it's currently showing a loss of 30 cents on this trade. So we'll just see how it plays out. I've just got a small account here, just playing with it to, trying to see if I can scalp a little bit and prove it on a smaller account before one day maybe scaling up to a larger account. And as you can see, that kind of went up pretty fast and slowed down. Maybe I need to slow the sell down a little bit there, kind of giving a few, I'll say, early signals. Let's try a 2070 and see how that pans out. Well, it looks like we are maybe getting close to making a profit. Just gonna maybe try to make a dime off this thing if we can. As you can see, we're kind of at the high range. You know, I'm on a 1 minute time frame chart here. As you can see, we're kind of on the high range of where the dollar euro's been trading. So just kind of wait and see how this thing plays out. Well, I'm back to break even, as you can see, so that's, well, that was a good thing. And one thing about the forex market, things can change quickly. Well, not a whole lot going on here. Kind of got a good battle going on between support and resistance. Kind of, I've got my fast line here. The Tenkan Sen line is a green line. And my slow line here, the red line, is the Kinju Sen, I guess is how you say it. And the blue one I put in here, this is a 50. This is something I've added. This is not part of the Ichimoku system. This is just a 50 moving average. Time frame. I've noticed on the euro dollar, it seems to, as if you notice here, it's above and it goes below the 50, then it kind of swings up, it goes above it. But it seems to, you know, in this time frame, as you can see, it's kind of hovering around it. If you go up here to the 5 minute time frame, you can see it's tracking fairly close to it. Here's the 1 hour. It got above it, but it come below it and come back above it. And another common one people trade is the 4 hour time frame. And you can see it's not very far from it. So that's just a little extra indicator I've added in to kind of keep as a reference point. Well, there we go. We're finally into profit, and we closed it out for a 14-cent profit. So there, that wound up being a good video and a good trade.